Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make two types of smoothie the easiest and tasty way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipes. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 mangoes, 1 sliced banana, 1 green apple or you can use a red one, some milk, and lastly some sugar according to the sweetness of smoothie you would like. Our first smoothie, you're going to add pieces of apples and some ripe bananas as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, you're going to add some sugar. You can either choose to add some sugar or not. Then pour some milk according to the thickness of smoothie you would like. Once you're done, cover the blender and blend everything till well blended. Once everything is well blended, put some ice cubes and pour the smoothie in the glass. And our apple mango smoothie is ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your smoothie. Our second smoothie, you're going to add pieces of banana and some mangoes as you can see in the video. Afterwards, add some ice cubes, some sugar and some milk. Make sure you don't add a lot of sugar because banana and mangoes contains sugar. Then cover the blender and blend everything till well blended. Serve a smoothie in a glass and enjoy your mango banana smoothie. And my tasty mango banana smoothie is ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your smoothie. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.